Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Sisasephezulu kwayo indaba yengane zesithembu. U-Amahle Viyela, the first wife of Umpumelelo Mseleko, the first lobolad girlfriend that Umpumelelo has ever had, because we know what they've been a long list of them. There's been Abo Vuyokazi, there's Tirelo. Okay, Vuyokazi and Tirelo, those are now baby mamas. As u-Amahle just walked in swiftly, wafika lapho wathatha ke inhliziyo kaSibindi. uSibindi wathi kuphi, ngiyamlobola manje, right here right now. But the question still stands, ukubana, is she ready for polygamy at a tender age of 20? Because u-Amahle, she's only 21. Imagine at 21 already you are a stepmom to 3 kids. You've got 2 baby mamas on the side, and you only 21. You still got your whole life ahead of you. Is she ready to be dealing with being their first wife duties? Because apparently it comes a whole lot. Now she'll have to deal with Utirelo. Uvuyokazi has stepped aside, like anything else that does not include kids, count me out nje. As Uvuyokazi also stepped away from a relationship yakhe noMpumelelo, and then she got lobolad also. Even the man that met Uvuyokazi was like, ain't letting this one slip away, I'm going to lobola you right here right now. And then the question still stands, ukubana, how is she going to juggle between being the wife, being the first wife, dealing with abantwana? Obviously those kids at some point they'll have to come and be with their dad Umpumelelo, which Amahle will also be there. So abantwana mabazovakashela utata wabo eMzumbe ke kuMpumelelo, so which means ke Amahle noMpumelelo, they are going to be staying together, which makes her a full-time mom as well. But if those kids comes to visit their dad, she needs it's her responsible. She's only 20. She's still got her whole life ahead of her. Let me know, what do you guys think? Would you consider to be in a polygamy relationship at a tender age of 20? I guess if it comes with the title of being the first wife, the only wife that actually got lobola, the only wife that actually Mpumelelo kind of listens to and respect and take you seriously. The question still stands. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.